Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of AI trading investment website. So viewers, this video I will show you how you can make your own AI trading website. I will give you the complete review of its user panel, its admin panel, and if you also want to make your own AI trading website, AI bot trading website, then you are on the right place. The WhatsApp and Telegram links are in description. You can buy this script from us, or if you need the complete end-to-end ready website, we will build that for you. And without wasting much more time, let's start the video. So first of all, here you can look at its amazing home page. It is completely in a mobile view and it's completely new in market. So here you can change banners, each and everything that is on the home page. You can change them from the admin panel, and you don't need any coding knowledge to make this or control this. Here you can see there is the option of apps, so user can download your app from the website directly. Here user can directly go to your Telegram channel. You can add the tutorial video of investment or your according to your business. Here is about us section, so user can read about your website over here in this section. So you can list all these details or your certifications of the website over here. So here user can see different cards of payments, like here is a graphs, and user can see the latest crypto prices on your website. So let's go to login page and let's first log into the user account and let's see how its login page will looks like. So we'll go to mine option, and this is the login page. Now here we have to enter our username and password in order to log in. And viewers, here you can see in the above, here you can see this is hosted on my subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.com. so I've hosted it. So I'm giving you a demo from my own domain, so I just created this website. Here is create new option, so you can create your account by filling the simple details. I already have an account, so I will just quickly register on the website, log into website. So here I will enter my username, and here I will enter my password so I can log into this website. So here I have entered my details, and when I click on login, it will log me into the user panel. So viewers, here you can see that we have successfully logged into the user panel of this website. So basically this is a dashboard of website from where user can manage all its settings. So let's go back to home page and let's start from there. So this is the home page, and as I already guided you about everything over here. So now we will go to deposit page. So viewers, this is the deposit page from where user can deposit money on the website. So here you can see there is a QR and address. User can copy this address or pay on this address. Select the amount, and here it will show you how much amount you have to pay. After payment, you have to send the screenshot of payment to the admin, and admin will approve your deposit, and the amount will be credited to your account. So here same is the case for withdrawal. You can select any withdrawal method you want. Say enter the amount you want to withdraw, final amount, enter your withdraw password, and you can withdraw your money from this website. Here is a mining page. So from here user can start mining on this website. So you can see this is a mining page. So here when I click on user click on turn on, so from here user can press this button and on the trading. So here you can see that trading has started successfully, and you can see our mining or trading bot trading has started successfully. So let me tell you about this in detail. So basically this is a mining thing. Admin can show user profit or loss at the end of the day. Suppose now admin has set it the amount on 2%, so I will get the 2% profit after this mining overs. Now admin can set also 2% in loss, or how much percent admin want to set in loss or profit. Admin can show user loss or profit at the end of the day from admin panel. So it will completely depends on admin, will he give the loss or profit to the user. So let's go to mine section, and here you can see our main wallet is now empty and trading wallet is trading with $1,000. Here is same all the things, deposit, withdraw. Here user can see all the records of its trading. So let me just click on this, and here you can see there is one trading record, so you can see it over here. Let me just go back. So here User can see all its account details in account section. Admin can update its picture or update its settings like name, etc. All the things. So here, admin can see all its total deposits, withdrawal, total profit, and profit will be added over here in this section. And here admin can see all its account information, KYC status, my team section. Basically, from here, admin can refer different user using this link and earn money through referral as well. So here are withdraw settings. From withdraw setting, basically admin has set withdrawal passwords, and user can download the apps, Telegram channel, and this is about the section as I already guided you about these things. So viewers, now we will go to the admin panel of this website as I completely guided you about this user panel. So now we will go to the admin panel of this website and we will see how we can completely manage this website in the admin panel. So let's go to admin panel. So first of all, I'm signing out from here. After signing out, here I will copy the link and here let me just enter my admin link over here. So to go to admin, you have to type /admin and it will redirect you to this admin login page. Now only the admin who have the credentials of this admin panel can enter to the admin. So here I will enter my admin email. So after that, we have to enter the admin password, and after entering these details, I can successfully log into the admin panel. So click on login, and now you can see that I have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. So this is the amazing admin panel from where admin will control the website. So viewers, here you can see first of all admin can see the total users on the website, total active users, total ban users. As site is newly created, as you can see, I just created this website for the demo of your audience. So I'm giving you a demo. Here you can see admin can see all the details about the website, running trades, total deposits, withdrawals, and everything will be appeared over here. And here notification will appear here. So suppose user has a withdraw, user had deposit, or user has registered, the notification will come here. So here are the trade settings options. So from here, as I told you, admin can set up the trading bonus. So suppose I will set it at 2%. So admin can set it 2%, 3%, 4%, how much you want to give, and you can set positive, you want to give the bonus in positive or negative. So you can give loss to user or profit to the user. So loss and profit will depend on the admin. So sometimes you can give loss to user on bot trading, and sometimes you can give them profit. Here you can set up the trade time, like how much time after time user can trade, and you can update this image and name of pair over here. So from here you can update the pair name, etc. What you want, you can update these things from here. So similarly, here you can see all the running trades on your website. Currently there is our own running trade only. So as website is newly created, here you can see all the users on your website. There are 2 users only. So we can go to details, and we can see the total balance of user, referred users, each and everything of user will appear over here. And you can add or subtract balance of user as well. So from here you can add or subtract user balance from this section as well, and you can log in as user, deposit logs, each and everything about the user admin can see in this section. So here are the manage referrals. So you can manage the referral and create as many as referral levels you want. So currently there are 3 levels of referral, but you can create as many as referral levels you want. Here are withdrawal settings. So you can make the withdrawal method you want. Currently there is only one withdraw method, so you can edit this or delete this, and you can add your own withdraw method by filling these simple details. So enter the withdraw method, name, charges, and you can make the withdraw method from here. Similarly, you can approve or reject withdrawal request of users in this section. So when user will request a withdrawal, the request will come here, and you can approve or reject the withdrawal. Here same is the case for deposit. You can make the deposit methods. Currently there are 4 deposit methods. Different methods are available, but you can create your own deposit methods. Enter the image, QR code, and address, or whatever deposit method you want to create, you can create it from here. Similarly, you can approve or reject the withdrawal deposit request of users, and you can see all accepted deposits, rejected deposit, and all deposits over here. Here is a general setting, so you can change the name of website, currency of website. You can use this website in other cryptocurrencies or your own local currency you want. And you can also set the must refer thing over here. So to withdraw the amount, user must have to refer 2 users, 3 users, or 1 user. So you can set the must refer from this section from here. From here you can update the logos and images on the home. You can update them from this section. Here is general settings option, so you can manage the SEO as well from here, and can clear cache. And here are the email settings that you can manage. And one more thing, that let me convert it to desktop mode to show you the home page settings. You can manage them from here. So let me just convert it to that page. So here you can see there is a front end option. So here's a front end option, so you can manage the front end of your website directly from here. So here you can change the sliding banners. So currently there are 2 banners, as you can see. So if you want to delete them, or you can insert your own banner, so you can upload your own banner from here. So similarly, you can manage the notice, links, banners, about us sections. Each and everything is updatable from here. You can just click on them and change them. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this website. So viewers, in this video I completely guided you about this AI bot trading website. So if you also want to make this kind of website, just contact us and we will build this site for you. And thanks for watching this video, and also like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with other friends and other people who need this type of website. And if you need any type of website, like order grabbing website, trading website, all type of websites are available. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next video.